Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're going to talk about how to change Google picture profile. So let's get started. After getting the application and a change Gmail profile picture, first click on your profile up here. Then click again on the same icon here. A page like that will appear, and in order to change your picture profile, click on Add Profile Picture. Now, allow your Gmail to access photo and media on your device. And after choosing your Gmail profile picture, you can add some modification by cropping or rotation. Good. Now save your profile picture. We're going to wait a little bit. And now your Gmail pictures profile have been changed successfully. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.